Hey guys, I'm Jessi Malay, and today I've partnered with Shiseido to share something new, something exciting, something bold. I'm really excited to be shooting a look that's very different for me today. I was challenged by Shiseido to create a look for their My Shiseido Reimagined challenge using their new collection. I'm loving all of the bright, bold colors we're seeing on the eyes lately, so I'm going to take you step by step through this process and show you that while wearing color can be intimidating, it's actually pretty easy and so much fun. So let's get started. I'm going to start by applying my foundation with Shiseido's angled foundation brush that's amazing for a seamless, full coverage look. Next, I'm going to apply my concealer. And then blend using Shiseido's Face Duo brush. One side has a gel tip that mimics your fingertips, and the other side is perfect for blending so there are no streaks or differentiation between your foundation and concealer. Next, I'm going to shape and fill my brows with Shiseido's Brow InkTrio, which allows me to create super precise, small hair-like strokes. And then blend through. This look I'm creating is really focused on the eyes, and as I mentioned before, I'm really into bright pops of color lately. I'm going in with the Kajal InkArtist in Birodo Green. I love this pencil because you can actually use it in 4 ways: as liner, kajal, eyeshadow, and for your brows. I'll be using the pencil as a shadow and an eyeliner today to create a look that's really focused on the eyes, that's really going to make them pop. Apply the pencil all over the lid and then blend out using the Naname Fude multi-eye brush. Then apply the pencil just below your lower lash line and use the Yane Hake precision eye brush to perfect. I love how evenly it glides on, and when you're using bold color like this, that's vital. What's also great about these pencils is that they're waterproof, so you can actually go swimming, watch a sad movie and cry your eyes out. You can literally do anything in these, and they last for 12 hours. Since I went so bold on the eyes, I'm going to go a little more tame on the cheeks and lips. Next, I'm going in with my InnerGlow cheek powder in Alpen Glow. The peach tone complements the green perfectly, and the color is still really pigmented, so you don't need much. What's really nice about this is that it doubles as a highlighter, so you can actually blend it up to your upper cheekbones to highlight and contour. Last, I'm going to finish off the lips, also with a subtle soft pinky peach hue. This is ModernMatte Powder Lipstick in Jazz Den. I love this lipstick because it's matte and really full coverage, so even though the color is soft, it still makes your lips look full and bold. Soft peach color just really complements but doesn't overpower the eyes, because that's where we really want to keep our focus. And here's the final look. I love how pigmented these colors are and that they don't feel too heavy on my skin. Okay, you guys, I'll link all of the products I used to create this look in the description box below. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for many more makeup looks, vlogs, and more. And be sure to check my Instagram to see who I'm challenging next. And follow at my Shiseido on Instagram to see all of the amazing looks the other influencers are creating for the My Shiseido Reimagine Challenge. As always, be sure to ask any questions you have in the comments below. I'll be sure to answer them. And I will see you guys very soon. See you next time.